Surprise, surprise. Did you know that the average person consumes about 152 pounds of sugar in a year? That's roughly the same weight as an adult male kangaroo. Shocking, isn't it? This high sugar consumption is linked to various health issues such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some types of cancer. But fear not. Today we are going to create a dessert that is not only delicious, but also healthy and sugar-free. Cookies without flour and sugar. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of quick oats, and a half cup of dried fruit. That's it. No flour, no sugar, just these 3 simple ingredients. Now peel and mash the bananas in a bowl. You want to get them to a consistency that's somewhat gooey. Then add in the quick oats. Mix it all together until you get a sticky mixture. Next, it's time to add the dried fruit. You can use any dried fruit you like. Raisins, cranberries, apricots, or even a mix of them all. Toss them into the mixture and stir until they are evenly distributed. Now, it's time to shape the cookies. Scoop out a spoonful of the mixture and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Flatten it into a cookie shape with the back of the spoon. Repeat this process until you've used up all the mixture. Pop the baking sheet into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Once they're done, allow the cookies to cool before removing them from the baking sheet. And voila! You have your healthy, sugar-free cookies. This recipe is not just about avoiding sugar. It's about embracing natural sweetness from fruit and providing energy from oats. The bananas provide potassium and vitamin B6, which are essential for heart health and brain function. The oats are a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full longer. The dried fruit adds a burst of flavor and additional nutrients. In conclusion, these cookies are a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the negative effects of sugar. They're easy to make, delicious, and packed full of nutrients. So the next time you're craving a sweet treat, why not reach for these healthy cookies instead? Remember, it's always possible to enjoy the sweeter things in life without the need for sugar. Here's to healthier, happier, and tastier living. If you've enjoyed this video, we'd love to hear from you. Did you try out the recipe? How did your cookies turn out? Leave us a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. If you think your friends would benefit from this sugar-free cookie recipe, please feel free to share it with them. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. We appreciate your support and thanks for watching. Together we can make healthier living a delicious adventure.